Welcome to ArkDesign AI. Now, we're going to build together a project, so I'm inviting you to join me for every step of the process. And by following every step of the process, we think that you actually learn how to create projects of your own once you created our sample project. So let's start by creating a new project. Let's always select the imperial if you're in the US or metric if you're elsewhere and working with centimeters, millimeters, and metrics. And we can insert a number of stories that we would like to get for a project. And let's insert 120 feet maximum building height. Depends on your project, of course. And let's continue. So now we're choosing the lot type, and the interior lot will give you one street lot line, the corner lot, two street lot lines, and the two corner lot will give us three street lot line. You can see that we always recommend for the interior lot with one street wall, having the street wall at the bottom, so rotate your project accordingly. And with a corner lot L shape, the system will offer you an L shape according those lot lines. Make sure that the longer one will be at the bottom. And we can also change the lot. So let's change the lot dimensions. We can do it either on the left panel or within the lot editor. Let me insert 190 here. And then let's create a more irregular shape by splitting lot lines, and you can split as many as you need, and you can create very unusual sides. The red dotted line will make sure we're 90-degree angle. Let's insert here the dimensions that we would like to add it to and continue with our design. So the system will offer us the U shape, but I would like to actually change it to maximize it to 180 within this street, along this street wall. And we would like to do a double loaded corridor, so we would like thicker, like a more deeper than 50 feet. Let's do it 65 feet U shape deep building, so 65 feet, and apply it and then continue to design. Now here the system will offer us the templates, the core layout. Depends on the number of staircases and elevator, but that's for your edit, so you really must edit it later according to your project. And we just generated the project, and now I'm opening the lot editor for the typical floor, and you can move any component. You can add components, so I would like to add another trash room here, and select the floors. It's going to go through and change the door here, and I would like to add a closet storage so let's insert a larger storage here to the floor, and it will go through the typical and ground floor. And let's move it here. And now let's do the floor plan. So on the typical floor, the default will be on the apartment's use. And once we click on that use, we can change the use, but because it's the typical residential floor, we leave it residential and apartments. And now we can generate the AI plan according to the unit mix that we insert. So we can do it either by percent or numeric, and that's for this typical floor that we're designing, the unit mix. And there are rooms along those window walls, and we should insert the percentage that we would like for our unit mix for that floor. So let's say I would like 15% studios, 30% one bedrooms, 30% two bedrooms, and 25% three bedroom, and we're reaching 100%. We can move it to the numeric and tweak it better, because we can maximize that to 84 rooms, and we are only at 77. So I would like to add another one bedroom and another two bedroom units, and we're fine. We're still under the 84 rooms, and generate the plans. Now the system will look for different design options for this unit mix input, and here in the apartments settings we can insert the minimum room width and depth that we would like. Now it's 110 inches by 120, but we can really change it later for any areas that you would like to design. Price per square foot for every unit type, studio, one bedroom, and so on, and the minimum unit area that you would like to have for your project according to the comps. And now the unit is actually generating the floor plan, so you can see the bar and apply that. You can see all the area calculations here, the percentage distribution and the areas for every unit type and the unit schedule. You can also edit it. For example, if you would like to maximize it, double click will eliminate the dot. Anything that you would like to change here, for example, I would like to maximize it here, maybe make the corridor a bit longer. Really, according to your design, I would like here to have another one bedroom instead of the studio. And let's undo it. And try again. And just design it the way we want, and everything is of course real time adjusted. We can go to always to the schematic section screen and see the building information table. So we see all our area, the unit mix, the net, and the gross and efficiency. And let's go back here and see in 3D our project, and let's continue to design.